Hey, cái bé in chan cha chan sung ấy, bây giờ in bây sai tu bắt chia mình sung rồi mình có sẽ, itu này thì kha, Bible karak kinh hiền kha, và thani Bible karak điều này rồi, kan za ten Bible za siang, cái tu nan khao te chan sao thằng như mà kha, in nên tung tikle, Johan bung hay kha trang kha tin trang ro. Johan bung hay kha jang so thumin jang som le jang li na kha in share sa ko ti kalo som tu ka sak din mi kha thon khami kha sirwa si Lazarus athi thau cha mi thu kha silingi mirang han karan sak dingi himi kha te chu kha ka chinlong I tham to ki kha saklawin ko thei la mirangin stika kha Bible sungi jo hani bung le khat kha se ko sumi kha in share sa ko ti klo deal tu pet 4 days late to be sing The news came to Jesus, please come fast. Lazarus is sick, and without your help, he will not last. Mary and Martha watched their brother die. They waited for Jesus, he did not come, and they wonder why. The death watch was over, buried 4 days. Somebody said he'll soon be here, the Lord's on his way. Martha ran to him, and then she cried, Lord, if you had been here, you could have healed him, he'd still be alive. But you're 4 days late, and all hope is gone. Lord, we don't understand why you waited so long. But his ways got not yours or mine. And isn't it great when he's 4 days late, he's still on time. Jesus said, Martha, show me the grave. But she said, Lord, you don't understand, he's been there 4 days. The gravestone was rolled back, then Jesus cried, Lazarus come forth. Then somebody said, he's alive, he's alive, he's alive. You may be fighting a battle of fear. You cried to the Lord, I need you now, but he has not appeared. Friends don't